Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video ay narito po tayo para sa ating The Blindcast, the 2024 Year-Ender Presentation, Year 4, Part 2. And I'm Clark Garcia 2 at isa pong palakpakan dyan. Ipagpapatuloy po natin ang ating Year-Ender Presentation mula episode 272 hanggang 284. Kasabay po niyan ang Love Notes 2025 from episode number 1 up to episode number 13. Kasunod po niyan ang The Blindcast News Break from episode number 1 up to episode number 6. Susundan po natin ng Let's Do It from episode 1 and 2. At ang ginawa po nating special tribute kay Mercy Sunot ng Aegis. Kasabay din po niyan ang atin pong the 2024 Calendar of Activities. Sisimulan na po natin ang ating the 2024 Year-Ender Presentation, Year 4, Part 2. Narito po, panoorin natin. Episode 272, The Food Trip, Lechon Paksiw. Episode 273, The Selling Show, Azla, Hair Volume Powder, Light Control. Episode 274, The Selling Show, Frames and Glasses. Episode 275, The Selling Show, Brave Man Poor Home, Poison Eau de Parfum. Episode 276, The Halloween Presentation, Top 10 Best Pinoy Horror Films of All Times. Episode 277, The Selling Show, Wireless Bluetooth Earphones, 9D Wireless Headphones. Episode 278, The Selling Show, New Sports Anti-Shedding, New Anti-Blue Light, and Radiation Reading Glasses. Episode 279, The Selling Show, 6 pieces set, unisex hairband male. Episode 280, The Selling Show, Coca-Cola Stainless Steel Coffee Cup Mug with Straw. Episode 281, The Selling Show, The Christmas Presentation, Newman's Waterproof Chest Bag, Korean Fashion Single Shoulder Bag, Messenger Sports Backpack. Episode 282, The Selling Show, The Christmas Presentation, JHD Solar 96 Light LED Waterproof Christmas Lights Curtain with Connector. Episode 287, The Selling Show, The Christmas Presentation, 10-meter bulb extension, adjustable lamp holder plug socket adapter, E27 bulb extension holder, flexible wall light socket adapter. Episode 284, The Selling Show, The New Year's Presentation, Mini Portable Ceramic Flat Iron, Hercurl Straightener Flat Iron Splint with plastic case. Muli po nating balikan ang mga inspiring love quotes at ang inyo pong mga favorite love songs sa Love Notes 2025 from episode number 1 up to episode 13. Narito po, panoorin natin. Love Notes number 1, Ang Pag-ibig Kong Ito by Racel Tuason. Love Notes number 2, Dreaming of You by Selena. Love Notes number 3, Mahal Ka Sa Akin by Tutsi Guevara. Love Notes number 4, Eternal Flame by The Bangles. Love Notes number 5, Ngayong Nandito Ka by Dino Bayer. Love Notes number 6, Love's Grown Deep by Kenny Nolan. Love Notes number 7, Sa Aking Puso by Ariel Rivera. Love Notes number 8, Reality by Richard Sanderson. Love Notes number 9, Hulog ng Langit by Donna Cruz. Love Notes number 10, Now and Forever by Air Supply. Love Notes number 11, Ipaglalaban Ko by Freddie Aguilar. Love Notes number 12, No Arms Can Ever Hold You by Chris Norman. Love Notes number 13, Sa Araw ng Pasko by All Star Cast. Muli naman po nating balikan ang mga kaganapan sa current event, news, weather, sports and entertainment sa The Blackcast Newsbreak from episode number 1 up to episode number 6. Narito po, panoorin natin. The Blackcast Newsbreak number 1, weather. 3,300 individuals affected by Tropical Storm Enteng. The Blackcast Newsbreak number 2, sports. PVL Junks PLDT protest on uncalled net touch in loss to Akari. The Blackcast Newsbreak number 3, Doc Willie Ong says battling cancer. The Blackcast Newsbreak number 4, The Entertainment. GMA's Bolt Tightening, Duwabit Access Halipop, Pinoy Hits, digital channels, and 2 regional TV stations. The Blackcast Newsbreak number 5, Weather. 7 reported death, 4 injured due to severe tropical storm Christine. NDRRMC. Flooding hits Bicol region due to tropical storm Christine. The Blackcast Newsbreak number 6, Weather. Super Typhoon Pepito reaching catastrophic level intensity by Pag-asa. Narito naman po ang ginawa po naming duets ni Mami Lines. Ito po ang Let's Do It from episode 1 and 2. Narito po, panoorin natin. Let's Do It number 1, I Just Fall in Love Again by Anne Murray. Let's Do It number 2, The Best of Me by David Foster and Olivia Newton-John. Meron po tayong ginawang special tribute sa isa sa pinakamagaling na OPM rock icon na si Mercy Sunat ng Aegis. The Mercy Sunat of Aegis Special Tribute. Buwan-buwan at quarterly ay meron po akong ibinibigay sa inyong calendar of activities. Narito po at atin pong panoorin. Aim High 2024 January Jam. February is Feb-Ibig. Forward March. Second quarter Blast. April's full of summer hit. Beat the Heat this May. Cool na cool ngayong June. Third quarter Power. July Festival. August is August. September begins the Burr months. Last quarter countdown. to 2025. Oktoberfest. Remembering November. Christmas in December. The 2024 Year-Ender Presentation, Year 4. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat sa walang sawa po ninyong panunood, pag-subscribe, pag-like, pag-comment, at pag-share ng atin pong mga videos. Makakaasa po kayo ngayong 2025 ay ipagpapatuloy lamang po natin ang atin pong nasimulan. Kasabay din po ngayong taon na ito ay magdiriwang po ang The Bloodcast ng 4th year anniversary presentation. And I'm Clark Garcia too. Bumabati po ako sa inyo ng isang maligayang Pasko at maligong bagong taon sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood. High five ngayong 2025! Feel na feel ang Febmamahal ngayong February on The Bloodcast. Love Notes Year 5, The Bloodcast Valentine's Day Presentation. Music from the Heart Year 7 SMU Valentine's Day Offering February 1 to 14, 2025. The Bloodcast 4th Anniversary Presentation. Greet and Win Promo. The Bloodcast 4th Anniversary Presentation. 1,400 subscribers and counting. Question and answer. The Bloodcast 1,000 YouTube subscribers promo. The Bloodcast, my official YouTube channel.